These are speculations, but I feel like this was the moment where Williams was telling Hugo Broos, do you see what happens when you trust us? Do you see what happens when you let us play according to our strengths? Couldn't we have done this against Mexico, who I feel were a weaker opponent compared to Czech, because Czech are very, very strong, especially in transition, physical as well. You get what I mean? Today, the world got to see what South Africa is about. They got to see how we play football. We were not afraid. We conceded first, but we kept ourselves in the game, right? Because we stuck to our guns, we stuck to our identity. We knew how to fix our errors. We knew where we would find our moments. And when the game progressed, more players got involved in the game. Abo Maseko got involved in the game. Teboho Mokoena, after getting that yellow card, a beast was awoken inside of him. He was our key player today. Oswin Apolles, he was given the license to roam around that whole front three, right? And that's where you see the best of Oswin Apolles, because he's playing according to his strength. That's what he does week in, week out for Orlando Pirates. TLB, Ime Okon, Bafetu, come on. Utalente Mbata, what an exceptional game for him, man. What an exceptional game, right? I was questioning his start about Hugo Broos again. He's becoming more defensive, but he had an important role to play in the first half, Mbata. We were winning second balls. As soon as we launched it long, it was landing back to players like Utalente Mbata, and he was the one making sure that we gained possession in the half of the opponent. And in the second half, we saw a different approach from him. We saw a different dimension to his game. He was now sitting a bit more because there was less pressure in the second half. In the first half, you needed Jaden Adams, Notebza, to be the one receiving in those pockets because they are more comfortable on the ball, right? Umbata is not. He was bound to make a mistake. That's why he was playing further up. But in the second half, we needed him for his defensive prowess also. And I feel like he executed a very, very, very good job. Clean job. But what does this all boil down to? Playing players in their natural positions. Ureinas didn't have the good game going forward, but his hold-up play was exceptional as well. He knew which channels to exploit because he was not playing with Abo Forster, not knowing where to go. Urile came in the second half. Everyone was afraid that, maybe the physical aspect is going to be a challenge for him. But he created some incredible moments, right? Maseko, oh my God. I hope that injury is not too serious. It's just a knock, because I could count so many players that played well. But him, going forward, transition-wise, he was probably our most important player. I mean, the 1v1s, directness as well. Those are all the elements we were missing in that game in Mexico. So I'm just happy that Umadala sat back, analyzed the game, debriefed with the whole team, and it seems like he involved some of the senior players as well in asking them about where do you feel comfortable, what do you think our best chances of winning this game. And it seems like Abo Williams and the likes had an input in the starting 11 in the approach of this game. You could tell, man, we had a lot of belief. Right? As soon as we conceded inside the first 5 minutes, everyone was worried, including myself. I just thought Czech were going to overwhelm us. We'll probably get 4 or 5. But like I said, we were playing according to our identity, so we knew exactly what to do to get ourselves out of trouble. I'm very happy, man. I'm very, very excited because all we need right now is South Korea to beat Mexico, right? That would mean they are almost guaranteed to move on to the final round. And we'll have a chance to do it against them in our final game because they wouldn't be playing for much. They're already through, right? Still hope, all to play for. But of course, Abo Tebza will not be there. Abo Zwane will not be there. Abo Yaya Sitole. We are running out of midfielders because he only chose to bring 4, Umadala, and a lot of defenders. But anyways, man.